Looking for the ultimate way to get Monopoly Go free dice rolls instantly? You're in the right place. We found a working method using a free online generator that delivers real results. It's simple, effective, and doesn't cost a dime. All it needs is your Monopoly Go user ID, your device type, and the number of free dice rolls you want. That's it. Once you input those details, the tool starts generating free dice for your Monopoly Go account. But before the final crediting, there's one simple step to prove you're a real user and not a bot. You'll need to download and play a popular mobile game and reach level 9. That's the entire verification process. No surveys, no fake tasks, just legit gameplay. Once you complete the task, your account gets loaded with Monopoly Go free rolls automatically. It's been tested and confirmed to work on both Android and iOS. This method not only provides unlimited Monopoly Go free dice links, but also protects your account. No hacks, no bans. Forget all those outdated Monopoly.go cheats. This method is currently the most efficient and safe option. Whether you're aiming for more turns, special events, or just to outsmart your friends, these Monopoly.go dice will keep you ahead in the game. Start now and enjoy Monopoly Go. Oh, free spins, extra rewards, and hours of uninterrupted fun. Don't wait, these free rolls are just a few clicks away.